Yeah.
Hi guys, it's me, Isabella again. And
Do a dab.
subscribe to this channel. Go hit the notification bell, like, and comment down below. Boom, boom, boom.
Hit the notification bell so you don't miss my live videos.
Yes.
And we're
And thank you for the subscribers.
doing a game. It's called Taxes. We're washing up and that.
Taxis. It sounds like you're saying tactics.
Why don't you just do this better?
No. I'm going to careful.
Why not just a little bit?
And show them my bike.
That's her bike now. This is my bike, way much better. Wait a minute.
And then show Ava's.
Ava, that's a scooter though.
Yeah.
Look at that dirt scooter.
That's curly whirly scooter.
Can I have this a minute?
Don't use it all.
I won't. So that's that. I'm just going to tip it over my tyres. You see? I've already did it. There we go. There we go. So, yeah, but it will spread. It will spread over. You know that. So that's that.
Oh, guess what? Guys, my uncle Alex is bringing me a pink laptop later.
Might do a video.
We might do a video of me testing it out because I'm getting a new laptop.
Do you know my phone's going to die? That's not great.
Can't die.
How about this just be a quick video, hey?
Yes.
We're just showing you our bikes,
God.
scooters, and that's my car.
Subscribe.
That's my real life car. It's called...
How about we?
We're not allowed to show you the sign on the back. No, we're not allowed to show that.
Why?
We can show you the sign that says parking only though. That's allowed.
You can't show you what the number of my dad's car is as well.
Yeah, it's not allowed on this. Otherwise you will know if we're in the car and that, would they? We don't want to be that famous, do we?
No, we actually don't want to be famous.
Well, we do want to be famous and get lots of money, but
Right, we don't
not that famous, not that really a lot famous.
It would be nice if you could get us to 20 or 30 subscribers. No, I'll take 200 subscribers. No, we're not. Get some 200.
We want to do that straight away, Ava. Ava, calm down.
Because Ava has a YouTube channel and yeah. How many subscribers have Ava got?
1.
No, 2. I've got 2 on.
Well, you subscribe to yourself and I subscribe.